Hi folks, it's Hugh, the Maze Master, out here in the pumpkin patch with Farmer Matt. Hey Farmer Matt, before we even get started, why don't you show the people what you've grown?
Okay.
Oh, watch the back! Lift with the knee. Holy moly! It's pumpkin time, people! Look at this mamma jamma! Why, it's so big! It bigger. Hey, daggone it! Hey, it's bigger than my head. Holy moly! What do you think that sucker weighs, Mr. Matt?
Probably 45, maybe 50.
What? Holy moly! Now the good news is, when you're here, they're 50 cents a pound. Yikes! But no pumpkin costs you more than 10 bucks. But, you know, I think we need to talk a little bit about growing the pumpkin. So, what did we do a little different this year? What am I walking on here, Matt? What's this? I'm not walking on dirt. I'm walking on this straw stuff.
Well, last winter we actually prepared the soil by planting a rye and let it grow. And then once the rye got to about a foot deep, it was time to plant pumpkins. We planted straight through it.
Yep.
Made a really nice seed bed, which really helped with the growth of the plants.
So actually the pumpkins, they're kind of sitting on like a little bed of straw.
Yes.
And we did that with another plant. So we're saving soil over the winter, kind of re-fertilizing this field that used to be, what were we last year?
This was corn.
So this was a cornfield last year, so we're rotating crops. Lots of conservation goes on here at the farm. You may not even notice it, but what you will notice, the pumpkins are really clean. Do you see that guy? He's really clean. And so now we have lots of pumpkins. Has this been a good growing season for pumpkins? Why do we have so many? Why are they so big?
Well, we had about 20 inches of rain throughout the year. And then finally...
Y'all remember that, all that rain? 20 inches?
Yeah,
Nuts.
and then finally, past several weeks here, we've had plenty of sun. It's dried it out a little bit. They're growing real well. And really, it's a prime season for them. They're doing really well with this weather.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, look at these vines. They're almost up to, well, at least my waist. I mean, you know, But anyway, so I mean, this has basically been kind of the perfect pumpkin growing season.
Yes, the perfect pumpkin growing season.
Everywhere, so many pumpkins, as far as I can see. Pumpkins.
Whoa! Right, the perfect pumpkin growing season. Yeah. So right. Anyway, it's pumpkin time at Maze Quest. Farmer Matt has grown you some awesome big stuff. Let's see. Let's show him the goods again, Farmer Matt.
Okay.
Brace your back up there.
Oh, there we go.
Holy moly! Look at that mamma jamma. This guy, 50 cents a pound. Everywhere else, no pumpkin cost you more than 10 bucks out in the pumpkin patch. We'll keep nice hat. They make good hats too. We'll see you in the pumpkin patch at Maze Quest.
Pumpkins everywhere, so many pumpkins, as far as I can see.